Hey everyone, it's John Ross here. Inflation's all around us. The price of everything seems to be going up, and it doesn't look like there's an end in sight. Even in the food business, we're seeing 6 and 7% increases in prices, which means that a lot of our shoppers are under pressure. IGA has taken the quarterly marketing kit. Now, this is a subscription service that you can do. It gives you signage all around seasons and football and entertaining and all the rest of that. This month, we've doubled down on value. It's got all these great signs that talk about saving money as well as high quality. And of course, that's what IGA has always done, is work to save our shoppers money. So we've got this entire system designed for you. If you're struggling with ways to let your shoppers know about the cool pricing and value you're doing in the store, this kit is great. Whether you're IGA or you use your family name, it can be completely customized. Here's what you do. You click the link below, you can order the kit, you can put these signs up, and that way we come through inflation with our shoppers know that we take saving money seriously. Order the kit today.